Beth! Really, I'm a mother. I'm... Ah! You're not focused. Yes, his family is with... And she just has this friend, you know. Come on, Beth, stop. I'm feeling... I'm in pain for her.
I resign.
There's a rumor you were drunk.
I wasn't drunk.
You were...
What time did you get in? I can come pick you up.
I'm going back to life.
I'm not like that because she lost. I'm like that because she lost like that. She was in pain.
Thank you, Betty. Maybe that's what I want.
Want to get drunk?
Yeah. Getting drunk.
Don't destroy yourself.
You wouldn't if you were with me.
I know.
What if I said, okay, go ahead, get drunk? You come then?
I don't know what I'm doing.
You want to kill yourself. You know that's a way.
You're a lawyer?
What do you want?
For you, Mr. Chanel?
The house?
What?
And he said he would sign whatever was necessary.
Well,
Fuck you! I said that the least that he did was to give her the house. He didn't!
Mr. Wheatley says you misconstrued him. He almost wanted a child.
Sign the papers. I'm your daughter.
I'm not backyard.
We don't care. Officially you are.
Caesar, that woman cannot keep her mouth shut. The piano would help. It didn't.
You're talking like that about Alma. Hey!
Did you ever hear her play? Alma was not pathetic. She was stuck. There's a difference. She didn't know how to get out of it. Pathetic? Well,
You are.
I'm looking at pathetic.
On her out of selling the house.
Sell it to me.
You're paying it?
Yeah, that much.
Yes. But I will be subtracting what I paid to bury Mother. I'll show you the receipts.
What?
Good luck.
Goodbye! For good. Ah, I didn't think that we were gonna have to deal with him again. You played it well, Beth. You kept your nerves. I don't know that song. You're making it like... You have a nice arm.
Her writings determine your interest in the support of Christian crusade.
They paid for my ticket to Russia.
More than that.
Mm,
And if you ask them, they'll fly me out there with you.
please.
Grounds, of course.
I have a tournament in San Francisco. And I need to take care of this place now.
Come.
I'm buying. Benny.
I miss you. Studied the game pamphlets from the last Moscow Invitational.
No, Coke is fine. Actually, I'll have a Gibson. I remember you. I can't remember.
Is she singing about your relationship with alcohol? Oh no. Celtic? I love the song, I hate this. It looks like she's enjoying herself and not, but it's not that. The fact that she put them on the piano. The fact that she's throwing up in them. I'm searching, you know, how can she find confidence on herself again to go to this competition? How can she get better? No? Beth, I always said that I was proud of you no matter what, but right there, Harry, he knows what it's gonna find.
Beth? Beth, it's Harry!
Please look through the window. Please! Please! The watch she gave you? Oh, you're back there.
No. Beth Harlan? Annette Packer. I'm always telling people that I was there for 2 of your big firsts. And that meant something to me. You know? That it was possible. For us.
Oh my dear.
I'm pre-med, so I have exactly 0 time. I do miss it though. I heard you were going to be here, so I came down for the weekend to thank you in person.
Beth.
Play starts in a few minutes.
Beth, I'm not a fan of your attitude. Is there?
Are you here to play or?
No.
What are you doing here?
I've been calling. I'm worried about you.
What on earth for?
Oh,
Seen you
come on.
once or twice at the supermarket. I work there.
You work?
What? You've never said hello.
Oh, you didn't seem approachable. You need help.
What kind of help would that be?
You know.
Help with my chest, because we tried that.
That's not what I'm talking about.
Your addictions?
My dad drank. He wasn't mean or anything. He just got quiet. You smell just like he did. Your eyes are just like his eyes.
It's more like you're feeling a little sorry for me.
I didn't say that.
And I'm not the one that's supposed to be in college, not working at the supermarket.
Beth!
It's a good job and the people are nice. Elizabeth! Good luck, Beth.
Thank you, Harry. No, I'm not crying, shut up. I can't find a way for her to get better. I mean, even if she has person like Harry who wants to help her, she's not gonna let them. Who now? No, it's not Harry.
Jesus fucking Christ.
Jolene?
Jolene.
I'm crying. No, not here. No, fuck you. No, 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 no. I'm not ready. I'm not ready. Shh. Oh, fuck. Oh, fuck you, writers. You've cut me so much. Oof. Harry, he almost got me, in tears because of what he said to her, about the fact that he wanted to help, the fact that she needed help, his story with his dad, and the fact that he left her, but not because he abandoned her, but because she didn't want his help, and I was really desperate like her, like, who can help her? She's gonna accept the help of who now? If it's not Benny, if it's not Harry, who? So, to have Jolene coming back on the show, I was not expecting it. So, to have her back, I was crying. To understand that she can help Beth, I was crying. And that was the end of the episode. I was dying! Oh, Jolene, you're gonna help. Yes, I have hope now. I can have hope. I can allow myself to have hope. I mean, since the beginning, I was sure that the first scene of the first season was gonna be like the end of the show, in fact, that they were showing us how we ended there. But in fact, no, it was happening during the episode 6, and we have still one more episode, and it was happening during the middle of the episode 6. So we know how she ended there, but we're gonna have also what happened to her after that, and maybe also how she ended, which is great. But I was really scared of that, because at least during the time that I thought that we were gonna see how she ended there, I was sure that okay, she was gonna become a chess master and she was gonna become an addict, but at least she was still alive, you know, in one I was gonna say in one piece, you know, she was safe. But knowing that we were gonna see how she was gonna go after that and end, I was beginning to be desperate for her. Like I said during my intro, I have the impression that we were gonna see her dying, destroying herself for good. And dying, yes. But now that I know that Jolene is back, I'm breathing again. It's really like that, like Jolene can help. She can help. And the fact that Jolene is there at the end, like she was there at the beginning. Who found you, Jolene? Who called you? Like, who knew that you exist and called you, knew where you were and that Beth needed you right now? Harry, you know, he was the one to call her. I can't find another person. Or maybe the Christian people, they knew where you were, you know, the orphanage. Oh, I don't know. I don't care for now. Most important, Jolene is back and is gonna be there for her. Okay, Jolene was the one to give her the pills, you know, but she was also there to calm Beth during some moments, to tell her, oh, girl, you need to chill, be polite to that new girl. She can help, maybe not help Beth to cure her, I mean to be totally without pills and alcohol, but at least she can calm her down. I have hope now. I swear I have hope. I didn't have any more hope at the end of this episode. Watching her going like that, Beth, it hurts me. Not just the fact that she lost, you know, in front of Borkov, but how she lost, the circumstances, the fact that she was in hangover, the discussion after that she had with Benny about the fact that she was gonna drink and that was all. It was her saying, I'm gonna kill myself. That's the same for me. I was really losing hope, and also because of what I said in the intro, the fact that they were gonna show us how she was gonna die, destroy herself and all. I'm glad that this is not the story that we're gonna have. At least I have hope now this is not the story that we're gonna have. Maybe she's not gonna be not an addict, you know, she can't be just like that, and she's gonna have that issue of addiction for life. But maybe she can go better, at least until this competition in Moscow, and after that, I don't know. I hope that we're gonna see the after that. I want to see it. A little of it. Please don't die. Please, Beth, don't die. I'm too protective with you. I know that since the beginning. Right there. I'm sorry, but during some moments I was not proud of you. I was during all of your bad moments, but during this episode, no. You lost me a little during this episode, but I swear I want the best for you. I'm too protective with you and all, I know that. See, when my mouth is doing stuff like that, I'm really worried. You don't know how much. I'm not gonna keep all of that during the editing, but you don't see it, but I was like that during entire minutes. I just have one more episode to watch. This is gonna be a long episode, I think. Yes, a long one. So I'm gonna finish this review right now to begin quicker the last episode. Oh, I'm in stress. I'm stressed like hell. Like I was during the last episode, but at least now I have this tiny hope that she can go better. Huh? I'm saying that to you like, huh? She can go better? Yes, she can go better. And not at her best and not without any issue with addictions, but she can go better. Jolene and I. Jolene, I'm putting so much pressure on you. I'm glad that I was right during the first episode to say that Jolene was not just the best friend, you know, the best friend when she was a kid, that it was not the only thing which was defining her character, that she was already more than that. She's there now. Okay, I'm gonna stop this review right now and watch the last episode. For you it's gonna be another day, for me just some minutes. Don't tell any spoilers on the comments. Me, I'm gonna watch the new episode, the last episode right now. But you can't know if all of the viewers who are watching my videos already watched the entire show or not. So please be careful with spoilers on the comments. Don't tell me stuff like, haha, Jolene did that or that, or haha, Beth ended like that or that. Shh! We're gonna discuss about that tomorrow for you. Okay, I need to stop. Let's go for this final episode. For me and for you it's gonna be in another day. So it's all for you for today and it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.